The 30s can be a different story altogether. If you start taking care of your skin at this age, the suppleness and smoothness of your skin will last longer. So let's talk about a few skincare habits to follow before entering in your 30s. Toners are a very important beauty essential when it comes to tightening your pores. Try to opt for a natural option like rose water, which is soothing for the skin as well as alcohol-free. Your moisturizer may be one of the most important beauty products in your routine. It has been found that women with well-hydrated skin can look up to 10 years younger than their actual age. It is also very evidently true to remove all the makeup from your face before you hit the bed, because that really helps in anti-aging. The skin under your eyes is the thinnest tissue of your body, which is more prone to dryness and then untimely wrinkles. So look for a night cream for the skin to retain the water naturally and to look smooth and wrinkle-free. Your skin's outermost layer is the first line of defense that keeps bad particles out and good particles in. So use a hydrating cleanser to help maintain a healthy skin barrier. While we all are into the habit of popping up pimples or squeezing out our blackheads, do not do it ever. Remember, your skin's elasticity won't be the way it was in your 20s, so it's very important to ensure extra protection from the harmful effects of sun rays. So you really should start using a sunscreen immediately. When you're reaching in your 30s, it's always better to have a fixed skincare routine and use the same skincare products for a longer time instead of hopping in between them. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye!